Hey, what's up you guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can get a voluminous ponytail using fake hair. So one way is going to be with clip-in extensions, another way is with a fake ponytail, and the third way is using braiding hair. So I'm going to show you all 3 ways in this video. And before we get started, I just wanted to say hi. I'm Jana, welcome to my channel. I do videos with wigs and hair extensions, so if you're looking for hair tips and tricks, if you like to change up your hair, then please subscribe. I'd like to have you around. And anyway, let's just get right into the first ponytail. Alright, so the first ponytail I'm going to show you is using clip-in extensions. So these are the ones I got from Bellamy. I'll link them down below. They're great. So I'm going to show you my favorite way to use clip-in extensions in a ponytail that's the most comfortable and I feel like the most seamless. So what you're going to do first is just kind of tie up or like clip up half of your hair. And I'm just going to use 3 pieces today, so I'm going to use the 4 clip and the 3 clip and the 2 clip. You can of course use more pieces if you want a fuller ponytail. And then basically what you're going to do is clip the extensions upside down on your hair so that when they're up in a ponytail it's going to be more comfortable because they're all laying up instead of laying the normal way and then pulling them up into a ponytail, because then the clips pull on your hair and it's just like really uncomfortable. So I'm going to start putting them in upside down, so I'll show you how I do that. And then this is the final ponytail. This is my favorite way to add extensions into a ponytail or to make a ponytail look fuller in general. I feel like it looks the most natural, and because you're adding all the clips at the bottom, you don't have any bulk at the top, so you can really pull your hair flat and tight at the top, and it just makes the ponytail look more natural. It looks like all the hair is coming out of your head and all the clips and everything are kind of hidden at the bottom. And of course you can take your time doing this and make sure all your hair covers the clips and everything like that, and you can add as many clip-ins as you can fit in your hair to make a more voluminous ponytail. But yeah, so there's that. Now let's move on to the second ponytail. The second ponytail I'm going to show you is using one of these ready-made ponytails. So this one is from Bellamy. Looks like this. This is one of their ponytails. They're always giving these away for free if you get. So I actually got this for free with the clip-ins that I showed you before. It's usually free with purchase. They have 2 different kinds of ponytails available. So they have the one, this is the one with the little one comb and then the hair that wraps around. And they also have the clip hair ponytail. I highly recommend, if you're going to get one of the ponytails, get it for free with purchase. Otherwise get it from like AliExpress or something for $3. But get the one with a clip. I really don't like this one. This is really uncomfortable to wear, but I'm going to show you how to use it if you do have one of these. So I feel like the best way to attach one of these ponytails is to start off with a bun, and I think mine is a little crooked, but I feel like having a bun gives you a stronger base than adding it onto a ponytail, especially if you have thin hair like me. Like putting the comb in and expecting that to hold in your elastic is going to be really painful. So if you have thin hair, put it in a bun. If you have thicker hair, you can probably get away with sliding this comb into your ponytail. So once your hair is in a bun, you can just take the comb, slide it in top like that, wrap this around. Alright, so this is what it looks like once it's all in. Super long, super crazy. I probably could have got one that was a little darker to match my hair better, but I think this looks pretty good. And I do want to note that these ponytails are synthetic hair. If you're getting them from Bellamy or AliExpress or something like that, they're going to be synthetic hair. The clip ponytails, you can find those in human hair. You just have to look a little harder, but they do come in human hair. If I wanted a natural ponytail, I would do the clip-in method I showed you earlier. But if I want to be even more extra, possibly more extra, let's move on to ponytail number 3. Alright, so the last one I'm going to show you is arguably the cheapest and easiest ponytail you can do. So what you're going to do is get a pack of braiding hair like this. They're super easy and cheap to find. This cost me like $3.99 or something like that, and I got this in the color 12. And the great thing about these is they come with a rubber band right in the middle. You should probably change this out for a natural hair tie so you're not going to pull out your hair with the rubber band, but I'm just going to show you what you're going to do. So you're going to start with your hair in a tight little bun like we did before, and then you're just going to tie this around your bun. And then basically what you do is just kind of finesse the hair, so cover your bun and cover the elastic and use some bobby pins if you have to kind of just like secure the hair into your bun so your bun's not going to come uncovered. But yeah, that's pretty much the ponytail, right? This color looks way better than the one I just showed you before. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. So let me know which one was your favorite ponytail, which one would you try? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!